Hey, what is up everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can use the filter element in the element section. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So to use the filter element, you have to go to the element section, to the collection column, and you can find it here. So let's drag it down to the main page. Okay, it's processing. So there you go. I'm pretty sure you all know what filter is. You probably used it in any online store or marketplace. So basically what it does is to get you to your desirable product in any marketplace or store. So if you want to customize it, then you can go to the right side. There you go, we have our settings here. Okay, starting with the title, you can change the title. Let me add ed here, and you can change the design here. You can make it collapse, you can make it to the drop down, but I prefer the block design. Okay, you can enable color swatches and you can set your color from here. You can collapse it on mobile, tablet. Actually it's a pretty good option. I would suggest you to do it. Okay, and you can select an icon for your mobiles and tablets too. Okay, so moving on to the filter card, you can show number counts. You can make it in 2 columns. Okay, like this. You can set accordions and everything here. And if you go to the applied filters, you can show as full width. You can show clear all button, which is quite useful. And as usual, you can change any text that you want. And at the last, you have your presets here. And moving on to the style section, and as usual, you can change the background, you can add box shadow, you can add border, you can change the width, and you can change the box shadow, and you can play with the box shadow. And you can obviously customize the border radius, spacing, and everything. You can change the text color in the title, you can change the typography of title, you can add text shadow to it. You have all these settings for filter cards, applied filters, and price ranges. And moving on to the advanced section, you can play with margins, padding. So let me change the padding a bit. Okay, that's it. After that, you can change the width, you can enable stickies, and you can play with the position. You can do anything with backgrounds, borders, responses, and attributes. So these are all settings. That's it for today's video, and that's how you can add the filter element. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.